What's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick review on this leather balm I picked up. I have these two electric leather couches that have some fading and some peeling and stuff like that. And I seen this product on Amazon that you can get to kind of bring that back to life. And so I'm just gonna do a quick review before anybody else buys it and spends money on it. And I just wanna make sure it's a good quality product, before you buy it. So you can check it out here. So I literally haven't even taken it out here, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and I'm gonna show you how to apply it. I'm gonna show you some before and after, and yeah, I'll link it down below if you're interested. But it's the leather recoloring balm by Droltz. It's like the most cost-effective one on Amazon. So I'm just gonna see if it's is good, So you open it, you get the balm, some gloves. I think this is used to spread it, I guess, and a little sponge thing, and then a little brush. So first things we gotta do is clean the leather, and then use the brush to dip the balm, use the sponge to wipe it down, and repair it in a circular motion to make the color more uniform, and then we leave it for about 10 minutes, and then we use that buffing pad. So this is the buffing pad, I guess. Or is this is the buffing pad, I guess. Anyway, and then repeat step 2 and 3 and 4 until you get the results of the color, your consistency of your desire. So let's put that up, and we'll clean this off real quick. But let me show you what we're working with. So as you can see, there's some fading and peeling, and then on the ad it said it should take care of that. So I'm just giving you a quick before and after. Just kind of going through that and see if we can't bring this back to life, because this is a nice set, and if I could bring it back to life, it'll be really good. So here's my before and after walkthrough. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick test on this little spot right here. Okay, so I went ahead and put on the leather balm on this side, and you can kind of tell it's much smoother and cleaner, and I still need to put more like on the back here, and then you can tell the arm came out real nice. But I was a little worried about when I first put it on. The lighting's been a little weird, but from over here you can't tell there's that it's even on there. But when I first put it on, it was a little darker. So this piece has the balm and this piece needs it. So you can kind of tell the difference. And then obviously this hasn't been touched up, so it definitely does a good job. I will say you probably might want to order 2 or 3 of these little cans, because I'm about halfway through it and I need quite a bit more. But the arm came out great, and the back looks a lot better on the back too. So I would say it was a successful experiment. I mean, it's probably never going to be perfect, but I was a little worried about it when I first put it on, because it was darker. But it actually dried real nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of this on, and then hopefully I'll have a new love seat and sectional here. So anyway, if you're interested in that product, I'll put it in the link in the description so you can find it easier. But yeah, do me a favor, hit that like button, and maybe I'll see you in the next video.